Tax benefits. How to save money on taxes. Starting a business as a limited liability company, or LLC, offers some unique financial advantages, especially when it comes to taxes. Let's explore how you can make the most of these benefits and keep more money in your pocket. One of the greatest advantages of forming an LLC is its flexibility in taxation. By default, an LLC is considered a pass-through entity. This means the company's profits and losses are reported on the personal tax returns of the owners, avoiding corporate double taxation. Unlike a corporation, this allows you to sidestep the typical corporate income tax, leading to potential savings. Furthermore, LLCs offer an opportunity to deduct a wide range of business expenses. This includes costs such as office supplies, equipment, and even some business-related travel expenses. Deducting these costs reduces your taxable income, which can significantly lower your overall tax burden. LLCs also provide an option called the Qualified Business Income Deduction. This allows you to potentially deduct up to 20% of your business income, depending on your total income and filing status. It's an incredible deduction designed to benefit business owners directly. When you have employees, an LLC allows you to deduct wages, salaries, and even certain health insurance premiums. Additionally, contributing to retirement plans such as a SEP IRA can benefit both you and your employees while providing another deduction. It's important to maintain accurate records and consult with a tax professional to ensure you are leveraging these benefits to the fullest. A professional can offer personalized advice based on your specific situation, ensuring compliance with IRS regulations and maximizing your tax savings. If you found this information helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more insights into managing your business effectively. Thank you for watching.